Okay, welcome back to Deluxe Detail. It's about 11 degrees here today, which is fairly cold. It feels like about 8, but that's not stopping us. We've got a nice warm job today and something that's really common, and that's removing stickers from cars. So we've tried lots of different stuff throughout the years, spraying special types of glue remover and sticker remover and steam, and we've tried drills with rubber things that spin and rub them off, and really what works best and is most consistent with the least amount of damage to the car is using a heat gun. So I have my expert assistant sidekick manager Prab with me today, and he's got the nice warm job of removing the stickers from the car. We'll talk about some of the downfalls and the damage that can be done to your car from leaving these on for too long. Let's have a quick look at how they come off. You can see Prab here looking very excited, and he has his heat gun set to about 400 degrees. It sounds hot, but we lose a lot of heat. Now the trick here is just to heat the sticker till just enough, and you'll see the edge lifts up, and you need the consistency hot enough so the whole sticker goes sticky and stretchy, but not so hot that it breaks or burns your fingers. This is increasingly difficult, but with practice it becomes quite easy. Now, while he's working away, I'm not sure if the camera will pick this up, but there is an outline left, so the sticker goes on, and the very edge here leaves a little bit of glue, so we're going to come around with some Trisol. One of the big problems that we have with cars like this that sit out in the sun for years and years, for whatever reason, is that the glue ends up sticking to the paint when you try to remove it. So to remove this glue, we use a Prepsol, we soften the glue on the paint, and then we very gently scrape it off. Here's a quick example of that. So you can see the glue here is quite hard. I'll give this to Bishop. So with nice amounts of spray. So what you're seeing there is him just take the bulk of the glue off the top of the car. It's wiped down with a cloth. And I'm not sure if you can see again, but there is definitely an outline here. So we make a big mess, but this doesn't damage the car. We'll clean all the glue off, and then once all the glue is cleaned off, we can then give it a light machine polish. Now, depending on what the customer wants to do with the car, if it's just going to go and be sold and doesn't want their branding on it anymore, we'll do a very light correction on the paint. But if the customer has bought a car with stickers on it and wants to restore it to brand new, then you can start your different, 1, 2 or 3 stage corrections on the paint. Okay, then as mentioned, once all the glue is off the car, you need to get around, and it's just nice to give it a quick machine polish. So we're using our DA machine, some good quality Scholl. This is S20 black. We've seen this before. This is a really good, takes out light scratches and fine marks. It's got a heavy cutting compound, and it probably has a cut cycle of about 5 to 10 seconds, and that is while it's being rubbed, it starts out as a cutter and it just turns into a nice polish. Now there's no fillers in this, so the finish you get on the clear, which is very important, is exactly as it is. You can wipe it with any kind of Prepsol or wax remover, and the result will be the same. There's nothing to hide under a product like this. So a little bit of product on the car and then machine away. Okay, so there you have it. All stickers have been removed, the glue has been removed, and the car has been restored to about 90% perfect. So if you've got a car with decals or stickers on it and you're not that confident to do it yourself, just bring it down, we can organise you a quote and then arrange to have the job done for you. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. If you have any questions, please make sure you give the site a call or follow up with an email or through any of our social pages. Thanks for watching.